In this video, I will tell you how to make this type of viral video for your Instagram Reels. So I will show you on my mobile screen. So to make this video, we need this application, that is VN Video Editor. So once you will open this application, you need to click on New Project, and here we will select that sample video. I will tell you how to get this sample video, and after that you need to select a random few pictures that you can select whatever you want to post it. So once it is done, click on this arrow. So here the video is here for 2.58 seconds, approx 3 seconds, and there are many photos. So we need to minimize the duration of this photo, so you can keep it approx 1 second. So I will minimize for all of this photo. Okay, so once it is done, okay, so we need to add a effect between every photo. For example, I will show you for one. Click on this photo, here you can see, and click on FX. So now we need to go here and we need to select the option as slide right. Okay, now click on tick. Now we will select the second photo here. Now again we will click on FX. Now we will select here jitter left. So now first we selected as right, left. So in this way alternatively we need to keep selecting here, and once it is done, click on export. So once this video is ready, open your Instagram application here and search for a account High Tech Talk. Okay, so here I have posted this video. Here you can see, so this is a draft video. You need to download this video and you have to use this video as a first part, and after that you have to use the photo from your phone. And after that, here in this video you need, here you can see how to edit, link in bio. Just click on this video and click on this audio, here you can see, and click on use audio. Okay, and select that video that you have edited. So why I am saying to select the audio from here is because this audio is on trending. So if you will extract the audio in editing, that is not going to viral your Instagram reel. So select the audio from Instagram library. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.